Hey guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel with Pookie. And for today's video, nandito kami sa labas kasi the weather is super nice. Nindot yung adlaw. And Chewy, as you can see guys, he's so happy. Happy! So Chewy likes walking outside. I give him a walk right now. And we walk Chewy's neighbors. Their houses are super nice guys. I can tell that the house here are very strong. Every time they have like hurricane or something like that, typhoon or bagyo, digit maalas sa ilang atop guys. So manay nana pag belt ilang balay diri. Look at the rooftop, super nice. So I'll show you the rooftop guys. Yes, so most houses here, look at, as I always mentioned about their rooftop, super grabe kaganda guys, grabe kanindot. Kapag may bagyong dumarating, hindi yan malulupad, fly high. Nice, right? So pretty cool. My dream house, super cute, huh? And of course, Pookie's dream house. What's your dream house, Pookie? What's your dream house? His dream house is cuting housey. Dang. Super. You can found or you can feel like there is a serenity here or like a tranquility in this place. So this place, it is super peaceful, very calm, and the neighbors here are very friendly, and you know they are super nice. So there we go guys. I can tell also that the weather here and the weather in the Philippines, it is super similar. Yeah, super similar. I can feel, but most of the time here it is hot, but the breeze of the air, it is super cold. So you know there's a sun, but sometimes it's so chilly, something like that. So look at the clouds. Look at the sky, not the clouds. Look at the clouds over there, like that. That's a cute clouds. And that one, look at this, the sun, super cute, right? And the sky is super blue. And Chewy, I don't know, maybe he wants to pee. Oh, he smell first before he pee or poo. Look at that. Pookie, are you happy? He finds some a good spot. Oh, see, it seems like he's happy because he already poop and he already pee. So look at that. He walks straight now. He walks straight right now. What if Pookie? Hey, Chewy, look at me. Good boy. Come on. So this place is nindot siya guys. Nindot tripuyan. Come on. Nindot puyan dari guys. Super. Nindot ang lugar. Away sa mga bati nga butang. So super peaceful. Most especially Pookie. Can you see the airplane? No? I think these are the airplane. Aeroplano. Bang. That's cute. Oh, look at the clouds. Wow. That is so freaking cool. So, you know guys, based of my observation diri ba, kay ilang balay is dilis lang mo gamit og kanang mga more on metals. Murag ang ilang gamiton kay kanang kahoy nga grabe ka grabe ka strong. Muna akong naobserbaran nga makita nimo ang balay nga i-belt nila kay puro brown. So mura siya kanang plywood pero di mura siya klase nga plywood pero dili siya plywood ha. Inana mura akong naobserbaran sa mga balay diri. Grabe ka nindot. Oh, look at that. Come on, let's go. Oh, what happened to your lace, baby? Actually, he have a real lace and it is too short. So his dada changed the rope. So, you know, this is not the real rope. So he have a real lace in his house. Let's go. I know you're thirsty. Oh, what the heck. And those are the empty area there. You can do camping. It's very relaxing. Relaxing kay diri guys. So kana siya kay free na sa mga doggy. Come on baby. This way. So this one you can put, or this is like a trash of your dog, like a poo trash, and the plastic there like a dog waste bags, it is free. So this place is super nice, you know. And look at that, look at the surroundings, look at the area, super clean. Most people living here, they're more on like cleaning in their own areas, so that's the reason they have a nice area. The reason also that they have a nice place, so it is nice, it is really nice that you have a very comfortable place and it is like a cleaned place, right? So that your mind is clean too. Your mind is fresh. Come on Pookie. And then sometimes guys, every Monday evening, Tuesday, it is their trash day, and then most people here, they threw some of their stuffs, and most of them, they are very usable. So magagamit pa guys ba. So nindot kay diri guys, kay every time they threw some of their stuffs, grabe worth it pa kaayo, like mga brand new, something like that. And you know, magamit pa jud siya sigbalik. So yesterday I found a ceramic pot and it is really good, and I'll show you after this walk. I took a video and I'll show you this. That is a very nice pot, ceramic pot. So let's go. Others are new. Oh, another airplane. I think that's like I don't know what kind of airline is that. Flag. So we're almost home and Pookie is so tired. He's so thirsty, and I want to show you the ceramic that I got yesterday. So I'll show you guys. So those are the ceramic pot that I got yesterday. Chew's neighbors threw this, so I picked it up yesterday. So look, this is new. They didn't use it, and this one is, I think they already used that one, and then they replant the plants there. So look at that, super nice, huh? Ceramic pot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. See you on my next vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye.